These black plastic food containers include clear lids to offer a view of the food inside. They are available in several sizes, in rectangular or round shapes. Single compartment or multi-compartment styles are available, if you need to separate your entrees and sides. These food containers are made with durable polypropylene plastic, and are recyclable, in areas where number 5 plastic is accepted. The leak-proof bottom is ideal for even the messiest or sauciest foods. The clear lids easily snap onto containers, for secure, airtight closure to keep your food fresh. These food containers are microwavable up to 230 degrees, and they are dishwasher, refrigerator, and freezer safe. Great for reheating leftovers. They can be reused or recycled by your customers, to lessen their environmental impact. To save storage space, these containers ship nested. They are also stackable when filled, for conveniently packaging your food orders to go. Great for catering, restaurant takeout, or meal prep services. These convenient takeout containers are a great way to package any type of food. Visit splashpackaging.com to see more.